Hi everyone and welcome back to my channel. In today's video I want to share with you some more craft supplies that I've received from Beebeecraft. The first thing I picked are these peg dolls. They are 30 in a pack and they come in different shapes and sizes. You can design these with acrylic paint or paint markers, and once you've painted them you can use them as fun characters for the dollhouse. Next thing I picked are these wooden cubes. They are 60 in a pack and these can be painted and decorated and used for all sorts of craft projects. Now I'm going to show you how to make some miniature presents using these wooden blocks. Well, I hope you enjoyed today's video. Let me know in the comments what you thought of today's unboxing and craft, and I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching guys, bye!